Here it is. I don't know if I'm already gonna have to order another one. Y'all know how I do. Try to test it out and see if it's not strong enough or it's not worthy enough. Then that's just what it is. Oops, I ripped the box. I ripped the box hard, y'all. Okay, so okay. Cordless and rechargeable, interchangeable heads, single charge lasts. It extends out to 43 inches, 300 RPM cleaning action. So mind you guys, ever since I ordered this, when I originally posted it, I haven't cleaned my shower, my toilet, my sinks. I really wanted to give this something to clean. So we're gonna plug it up. We're gonna charge it up, and we're gonna get it going. I probably won't, well this must be for like corners or something. Ignore. You got the big brick. Yep. It feel like it's hard enough, so hopefully the power is gonna be strong enough. A cute little, I don't know what that is. Oh, a cute little rake to clean out the brushes. Oh my god, I'm gonna need something bigger than that, babe. And then they got the scrubbing pads. I didn't have to buy extra. I know some of these scrubbers, like you have to buy extra of these little scrubbing pads or these like little dusting pads, but this came with it. I saw another one. Okay, this is the button. In case this button pops off, it's another one. So I saw another one that actually came with the compartment where you can put product in it and it squirts it out, so you don't have to spray prior to. And I want that one because it looks good, but I don't even know if like my products would actually. I'm gonna have to, you know, I'm gonna have to spray my own products. So that's just, it is what it is. I'm not reading instructions, guys. I'm just trying to put it together. Oh, there it goes too. So wait, it must have, no, this is the charging area. It comes with like a little cover for the charging. It's probably not. No, we definitely got to charge it before we use it. But I want you guys to see the extend on it. Dusting my pictures, because you can do that with it too. Dusting my crown molding, because you can do that too. Okay, so stay tuned for the actual cleaning video, guys. Stay tuned for the cleaning video. Just want you guys to see the product. And of course it's from Amazon, so you know, just check and see if it has a warranty, see if you can return if you don't like. Let's get to the cleaning, guys. That's not good. Okay, it's definitely clean. That doesn't sound good. That's not, oh, you can't put no pressure on it. Like, you literally can't put no pressure on it or something. Like, it barely can touch you or it ain't going. That's crazy, too. They just want me to scrub and use my hand. That's what they want me to do. So here I'm just scrubbing with the brush for about 10-15 minutes to see if it's going to do anything further. Now I'm actually going in and hand cleaning everything to make sure that it's properly cleaned and back new. I'm also going to steam in the video, show you guys like a quick steam on the shower glass.
And guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our videos to keep up with my cleaning videos. I'm going to order a new scrubber and do an unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Here I am steaming. Hope